Okay, here we have our tire seal machine. The tire seal machine is very similar to a tire brush. It's held retracted by air cylinders until the vehicle approaches. When the vehicle approaches, the tire shine is going to come out to come into contact with the vehicle's wheels and tires. Should come out with sufficient contact just to slightly compress the brush onto the vehicle's wheels and tires. It's going to rotate down and towards the ground. It rotates much slower than a tire brush because it's applying a chemical. We don't want the chemical to sling back on. Just like a tire brush, we have the same greasing points. We have our pivot points, which are monthly. We have our rotational points, which are weekly. When you lift this cover, in here you'll find a manifold. This manifold is an important part of the process. This is what applies the chemical. It's important for two reasons. One, if our check valves go bad, it'll continually drip chemical, which will waste product, costing you money. If the check valves get clogged, it will not apply product, which will lead to striping on the vehicle's wheels and tires. So with our maintenance on this, what we want to do is we want to override our chemical pump. When we override our chemical pump, we want to check each nozzle to ensure that chemical is coming out of the nozzle and being applied to the brush. With the brush, if the brush gets oversaturated and dirty, you can clean it out with a prep gun. In this case, this one is actually pretty clean. You can see when I touch it, I just get tire shine. There's not a lot of dirt, so this one's not in bad condition. Another thing that I recommend doing on a monthly basis is running a 5-gallon bucket of hot water through the chemical pumps, and we'll show you how to do that when we get back to the chemical panel here in just a minute. Just like the tire brush, we have our hydraulic motor where daily we're going to want to check it for leaks from the hydraulic motor and make sure that the torque plate is left loose, and that is our tire seal.